Hello, konnichiwa. Bonjour tout le monde.
Today I went to Vogel Park in Matsue City.
So let's go.
The Matsue is about 2 hours since Okayama.
Yes, it's there. I'm excited. I'm arrived. The flowers are beautiful. Magnifique, wow. And the flowers are suspended in high. I can see many flowers. Blue, orange, purple, pink, red. I love that. They are also very big size and different types, I thought. No? There's even one up there. It's scary. And over here there's a white one. He looks soft in his feathers. In advancing my adventures, I can see a peacock. I can see a lake too. Today I'm lucky for this blue sky. Magnifique. Wow. And the view is great. Today there is not wind and it is super hot. In this place it is full of birds, like example flamingo or pelican. I wanted to give up food, but with their beak, I was a little scared. I hope you enjoy in this video. If yes, subscribe. Merci d'avoir regardé cette vidéo. Je vous dis à la prochaine vidéo. Goodbye. Matane.